This video explains how to use the washer dryer in the apartments, and you'll find it located in a cupboard. So here we have it below the water tank, and it is simple to use. You have your on-off at the top, and then you just turn this dial to select the program that you wish. Now it can do drying and it can wash and dry. So to select the program, you just turn the knob. Here we have Eco 40 to 60 degrees. And as you can see here, this is the time it will take. This is the spin speed, and this is the temperature. To change the temperature, you just push this button. Here it's 60. And you can change the spin speed by pushing this button too. If you wish to put a child lock on it so that any children do not tamper with it, you just push the drying button and hold it down, and you see it counts down 3 seconds, and you can see there's a lock on there. This means none of the buttons can be pressed or change the program. To unlock it from child lock, you push on this again and it will count down, and you can see the lock has gone. So to open up the door, you go top right and it just opens up, and we provide laundry tubs, and they are located in this container. You just put one of those inside the machine and then firmly shut the door, and you'll hear it click. And then if you wish to start the program after you've selected it, you just push the start button and this will start the machine, and it will beep at the end. If you wish to do drying only, you just turn to, you've got synthetic dry, cotton dry, and it will tell you how long this will take. At the end of this video, there is the instruction manual attached, so you can look through the instructional manual and decide the program that is best suited for yourself. When you've finished, just please put it to the off position, and that's how to use the washer dryer. Thank you.